Well, good morning, shaggers. It's a very, very wet Valentine's Day here, and I'll tell you what, with a light southwesterly blowing and a high tide, the conditions look pretty bad out there. There's a few boaties heading out at the moment, which is a-okay. Bear Island's quiet with one person fishing off the left-hand side. But we look at the conditions today. Who dares wins. And what I mean by who dares wins is, would you go out fishing on Valentine's Day? Would you luck it? Good luck. There's a few people just off the point there going for kingfish, one or two boats at this stage. There's one off the reef at Yarra Bay, but the thought of giving flowers to your lovely Valentine today, or you can actually wake up early, get out, catch a lovely whiting, brim, snapper, and cook it for lunch. Would you be able to do that? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go down to the lovely fishing wharf that's $75 million in construction with no fisheries regulation signs on it as yet. I just love it. Promoting of a wharf for fishing, and there's no regulatory signage. It only happened in Australia. Red tape and bureaucracy, well and truly. We're looking at the wharf now, and as you can imagine, there's lots of slots available because of the weather. Now, plenty of parking at this stage. It's 6:30 in the morning, a little bit early this morning. We're walking down here, and we're looking at the conditions. Full high tide, no wind, and it could be interesting. I like the cloud cover and the rain when we go fishing. It's not as bright for the fish, but we'll let the camera do the action, or the talking, sorry, and see what the guys have been catching, the team's been catching. There's no one fishing off Frenchman's at the moment. All the break walls. Again, it's pretty early and people are out for their walks. Oh, I lie, there is one guy there, tucked in the corner there, fishing away very, very quietly before the crowds do come down for their lunches at the lovely restaurant. So what we're predominantly looking at today is to see what people have been catching. Now, the night sessions around here, well, they might produce some snapper or some squid. The reports that I've been getting today, or during the week, sorry, of what the catches have been happening, it's been quiet. Yes, we've been catching a few small squire or maybe snapper, yellowtail on the bite. A few squid have been taken off at night time, believe it or not. So that's good. So with the lures, and this is the general bycatches of your small species. We've got a guy down here burling up, which is always smart. So he's down there burling up in that little pocket down there. Okay, so, and he's got his little light on, and he's trying to entice the fish all the way around, all the wet weather gear, which is good because you need it today. It's a dour day. You have to be keen to come out here in weather like this, and you have to really be prepared to get wet and buckle in. So we're going through there. Any luck? Nothing? No fish? No fish? No, not yet. Okay, so he's got nothing as yet. So there's his little light down there through there, which is good all the way. Okay, so that's one report of nothing. It's really good that all the people, these are the keen fishermen. Who dares wins, I say. When the going gets tough, the tough actually well and truly get going, don't they? Hey, wind, rain. We're a hardy lot. So we're going down through here, and the guys are fishing towards the beach, which we said last week. The guys have been picking up the whiting, fishing this end. Any luck yet? Any luck? Nothing? Nothing? Nothing yet? Nothing yet. That's good. It's all quiet. Okay. So we're all continuing on. Families are here already, bunkered in, which is good. Any luck, guys? Nothing yet. Oh, geez. Okay, it's a hard day to fish. It's the rain comes in. It comes in sheets. So I've got my umbrella up. Probably it'll fold. But we'll go down here to the main. If you were coming down this weekend, bunker in for the rain, wear something warm. We've got the guys with the big rods hanging out here now. Anyway, you can see the rain coming in. I apologise if there's anything on the lens, but I'm trying to keep as tight as I can. Wharf's pretty clean, which is good. Probably the wind and the rain have helped to sort all that out. And they've got a couple of small bream here, well and truly. Little bream or snapper, which is good. Good morning, good morning, good morning, all. Good morning. You're very keen, hey? Very good to see the fishermen out in the big weather. Hello, hello. Hello. Okay, good. Any luck here?
No, we just got here.
Oh, what are you after?
Just some salmon maybe.
Oh, very good, very good. Best of luck. You're very, very keen. It's good to see keen fishers, I'll tell you. Well, I'm keen doing this fishing report. We're out there where it's Valentine's Day and we should be giving flowers and cooking the breakfast so far. But we're not. We're down here and you can see the tide through all the way through here is well and truly a full tide. So obviously I'm walking in the water down through here now, all the way down. And I don't mind getting wet, but again, you're looking at really setting over a kernel. It's a really, really, really full on out there. And who dares wins. So that's the report today. We've only got a few little squire, nothing else caught. The guys have been burling up. It's early in the morning and hopefully the day will get better, the rain will go. If you do come down, really the fresh bait is best, light line and a positive attitude. Okay, just speaking to some nice guys through there to be catching some fish, some small ones, and they're super keen. I love the super keen fishermen, you gotta love it. We're down here in the rain. We've got the raincoats, we've got everything all the way through. We're going for squid, you name it. We're going for it. And as we wander up the wharf to get back to bed and to see the ones that we want to cuddle or brag about the fish and give the roses with the whiting or the snapper or the flathead, I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day and may the fish be with you.